So as you're editing and you're starting to go through footage, let's say I'm working with my say I'm doing my ceremony here, and I've used clip 58. Okay. If you check this out and we reveal on the project, you can see it's a different color. It's usually starts out as this color. That's Premiere, like the default color for Premiere. So what I do is once I've used the clip and I know it's being used, I'll then change the color to red. And the reason is because now if I look through everything, I can see the clips that I used and the clips I didn't use. So if I have any questions on did I use this clip or not, and it works, it's especially important when we get into the feature and you have all these individual clips. You want to know if you actually used it or not. So if I go to something like this clip right here, I can see this is part of the first look, and this is just this random kind of shot. It's hard to know if I use it or not. So this way I can actually go back and I can say, oh yeah, I did use it because the color is going to tell me for sure if I used it. And that's a great way so you always know and there's no question if you used it or not.